Hey, what is good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but let me explain. So several weeks ago I noticed that I'm still dealing with some oil leaks even after I did the valve cover gasket. So what I did was I went to go check it out, and I noticed it was leaking from the cams. So what I thought of is might as well just change out the cam seals, and while I'm at it, I might as well just do the water pump and timing belt. So I bought pretty much all my parts off of Rock Auto, and if you're curious to see what I bought, definitely put it in the description below. And yeah, fast forward today, I took it to the shop and they were able to change everything out, and it turns out my cam seals weren't leaking. It was actually my cam cap. But anyways, fast forward today. Today we are out here in Idlewild. Idlewild? Idlewild. So we took a little trip up this Saturday to check out the little town and had a quick lunch, and on the way back down I noticed there was a couple trails, so I opted to just hit up this trail called Black Mountain Truck Trail. So that's where we're at right now. We are actually at, I think, one of the campgrounds, I believe. But I stopped here to start an intro for this video, and I gotta show you guys something. I got something new for my car. So check this out. Check it out. Bam. Now, if you guys don't know what this is actually a protection ring for my R6 hybrid Beadlock. As I mentioned before in my past video, this is actually a hybrid Beadlock wheel. So like I said before, you're able to mount them like a street tire, like how I am, and then additional, if you like to add more protection, you can add a protection ring, because I know that usually the lip usually is the first one to get damaged. I mean, if you can damage the spokes, man, you definitely go hard, and you should definitely make a YouTube channel. But yeah, so I got these from RRW, and they come in satin black, and I also think they do come in raw aluminum. Now, they do come in two different finishes, I mean two different materials. They come in steel, which is what I have right now, and aluminum as well if you want something a little bit more light. Yeah, so pretty much what I got from it is a million grade 8 hardware. They're anodized black, so it'll be nice to get some black bolts on there. I think the gold's a little bit too flashy, but if you do want the flashy look, they do have gold as well. And I think these are perfect addition for your wheels, because one, it's like cheap insurance for your wheels. I mean, if you didn't have it on and you damage the edge of the rim, you're pretty much gonna have to replace the whole thing. It's gonna cost you another 300 bucks or so. But these rings, they're replaceable for around like 80 bucks each. So I mean, would you rather pay 80 bucks or 300 bucks, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and install these before I hit this little trail. I don't think it's too bad, but who knows, if I can scratch them, then you know, definitely hit that like button down below and subscribe if you can. But today we have a little special guest. We have this wild pig right here. Princeton, come here. Now, he's supposed to be white, but I don't know what happened. Oh my god. What are you doing, Princeton? Princeton, what are you doing? Oh my god, you're so dirty. Alright, Princeton, you're definitely gonna have to ride on top of the roof. I don't want to dirty my interior. But yeah, let's go install these rings, and then let's go hit the trails. What you want to do is you want to thread in all the bolts, but don't tighten them yet, because you want to make sure all the bolts are in before you do so. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just getting a couple threads in, and then I'm just gonna pretty much get my impact gun and then let my impact gun do the rest of the work. Alright, so once you get all the bolts threaded in, now you can go ahead and grab your 13mm socket, and if you have an impact gun, go ahead and start tightening it. One thing to keep in mind is when you're going ahead and tightening all these bolts, you don't want to over torque it, because if you over torque it, you're going to strip it. So give it a couple ugga-duggas and I think you're pretty much good to go. Oh man, the ring definitely looks much better on the wheel. I mean, I actually like them both, to be honest with you. Let me give you guys a little quick difference. So this is with the ring, and then run over to this side. This is without the ring. Now I like it without the rings just because it has these pockets over here. It adds a pretty nice design. So I don't know which one I like better, but I think they both look good. But you can't go wrong with either or. But if you want more protection for your wheels, definitely go with the protection ring. But enough with the talking. Let's go hit the trails and let's go see what we can find here. Oh damn, so far this trail is pretty easy. I mean, I think this is a good trail if you want to hit something solo, because you definitely don't want to hit something solo if it gets a little too dicey, because just in case you need to get pulled out, you might want to have that other person to help you out. But yeah, I think this trail is definitely doable for a solo, because there's not really any crazy obstacles. Maybe some like small ruts and stuff like that and unpaved roads, but I mean, I think a stock GX can definitely get up this thing. But yeah, we're almost made it to the top. As you can see, look at this view right here. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see it, but woo, we're almost there. So let's keep going. Let's keep it pushing. Oh yeah, finally got this baby to flex a little bit. Look at that droop right there. Woohoo! Let's see the tuck on this side though. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. Alrighty, so I finally made it to the top. Yeah, so like I said, if you can actually make it up here with like a stock GX or something, no problem. But after you pass, what was it, Fuller Ridge Road? If you hit the left fork, it'll take you to like a couple rocky areas. Nothing too crazy. If you're lifted like an inch or two, you'll be fine. But if you're stock, you might be able to make it. I'm not sure, but do it at your own risk, either or. But yeah, look at the view right here. I mean, this is definitely what I came up here for. I mean, this trail right here, it's not too bad. It's actually pretty easy, and I'm glad I made it up here because this view is just breathtaking. And man, this is pretty much the first time taking out the GX with all the current mods, and whew, boy did it deliver. I mean, I haven't had any issues. Everything was nice, had enough clearance. I was really trying to hit those rock sliders, but you know, we'll get them next time, I guess, right? I think I'm gonna end the video off right here. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.